So this one says the reciprocal of a positive number. So let's say that this positive number is x. So its reciprocal exceeds that number. So if I said this, that would be wrong. Because here's the reciprocal. It exceeds that number by that number. So that means this is bigger. So to make them equal, I would have to add x a second time. So what is that number? So this is equal to 2x. So if I multiply the x over, we get 2x squared. So 1/2 equals x squared. So we get square root of 1 over square root of 2 equals x. But now we have to take this and we have to rationalize the denominator. So when we do, we get square root of 2 over positive 2.